Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have a pretty special 1966 Impala for you. It is a genuine super sport, and it has a numbers match big block 396 under the hood and a factory 4-speed sitting between those bucket seats. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the information, study about 100 photos, and you get the price not only of this car, but a few hundred collector cars we have all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified first as they come out. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a big block 4-speed super sport. I got this on a buying trip I just came back from down south. It's a clean car. Up on the lift, the floors are just nice, dry. All the factory braces, the inner rockers, all nice, clean, smooth metal. The motor was rebuilt, so when you look up at the bottom of the motor, it's still clean. Has a mini high torque starter, has a Muncie 4-speed, has its original 336 12-bolt rear end. The front end's been rebuilt, it's got nice exhaust. Brakes have been all redone, and it's upgraded to disc in front. They still had drums in '66. This has the disc upgrade. So underneath the car, real nice. I'll start it up in a minute, you'll hear it. The body's also real nice. I was just in the trunk with my flashlight, looking up in the quarters. There's no splices or seams. Actually, you can see the factory spatter finish paint. So they're the original quarter panels. Bottom of the doors are clean. Bottom of the fenders are clean. Outstanding gaps. The gaps around the trunk, the extensions, the doors, the gaps are spot on and flush. Nothing sticks out. I mean, that is right on the money. All this stuff right here that's flush and smooth, and that hood fits in there perfectly square. So I'm going to say it's not been in an accident, not been rusted. You got a great body here. Been completely repainted. For all practical purposes, it's beautiful. Standing right here, it's a show quality paint job. There are going to be some minor imperfections if you look for them. There's a little scratch right here touched up, but all along the bottom is smooth. There's no bubbles, no rust. There is a good sized touch up right here, about the size of a dime. Something must have fell on it and they touched it up with a brush. And no vinyl top, just all painted. The trim on the car is real nice. Same thing, stand next to it, it's bright and shiny. There's a little scratch and there's one touched up too. You have to look for them. This has the long stem Bowtie mirrors. They're both new. It looks like all this trim was replaced around the windows and the wheel well moldings. The rear bumper has been rechromed. The lenses are real nice. Emblems look like they've been replaced. This trim that goes all around the car doesn't look new, but it looks really good. Door handles are original. They're a little bit worn, got some freckles on them. Does have 15-inch rally wheels with new trim, white letter tires, got spinners on the center caps. New weather strips around the doors, but this rubber right here is dry. It's dry and crackled. It's not missing chunks or anything. Windshield's real clear. 396 cross flag emblems. So the grille and all that trim is good original. The bumper has been rechromed. It does have a real light scratch in the bumper right there. This piece right here has some pitting. If that's available, probably a couple bolts under there, I would change that. And this is the motor the car was born with. The stamp pad, the VIN number matches the car. The codes are correct. The dates, the casting numbers, all of that's correct. It all matches the dates of the car. This is the original motor to this car. But it has been rebuilt with some upgrades. It's got a hotter cam in there, so they've got a remote vacuum pump to make up for the loss of vacuum when you put a hot cam in there. These chrome valve covers look like the stock valve covers, but they're taller They look taller to me, so I wouldn't be surprised if there's some custom like valve train rockers and stuff under the valve covers. Real quick, it has ceramic coated long tube headers, HEI ignition, Edelbrock high-rise intake with a big dual feed Holley carb. It has electric choke. It's been chrome plated. So it's got a hopped up motor. Trunk compartment, big, giant, clean, all metal trunk. Rock solid. Got the spare, got the jack. Full-size spare, hardly takes up any room in there at all. It's got a new rubber mat. Bottom of the trunk lid is painted beautifully. The jamb is real nice. New weather strip, new sticker. So a real clean, tidy trunk compartment. Rear window is very clear. New package shelf. Has Pioneer 6x9 speakers and a modern Pioneer stereo in the dash. The interior has been redone very nicely. Getting back in the engine compartment, it runs cool with the help of an aluminum water pump. It has a custom fan, custom shroud. Does have a polished overflow bottle. Does feature power steering, and it also has the power brake upgrade, cadmium plated booster. The master cylinder is an aftermarket. CPP is the manufacturer. Overall, clean, tidy, respectable. You're not going to be embarrassed to show the motor compartment. Very easy to work on. Everything's right there. But I wouldn't say it's like show quality. But everything looks good. It's got new horns. It has the Delco battery topper with new battery cables, chrome-plated alternator, new fuel pump. All looks good. It's a factory bucket seat car. Door panels and upholstery has all been replaced. Carpet's been replaced. It has the deluxe retractable seat belts on the floor in front. It's got some embroidered floor mats. That is a factory genuine 4-speed center console. It's got the correct shifter with the chrome ball and the reverse lockout. Also has the factory tachometer in the dash. Now when I sat in the car and looked at the dash, it's all good. All the console, the knobs, the levers, all that's original. So it shows a little bit of wear, but nothing's broken or beat up. It all fits nice. Everything's good. It's just not pristine, but all very good. Why don't I start it up for you? The headliner's been replaced, and it has star imprints in the headliner. That's real cool. The visors, they reupholstered. They did not replace them. Someone reupholstered them with the same material as the headliner. Oh, that sounds nice. It's got 3 extra gauges below the dash for oil, volts, and water temperature. Oh, that's snappy. Yeah, I hear that cam. I can tell you that's a nice running engine. Well, I can really tell you that because I drove this car home. Ran great. That's music right there. You don't need those 6x9 speakers. You got stereo coming out the dual exhaust. That's nice. This isn't even warmed up. It idles beautifully, snappy. It's not coughing and sputtering. This car is a really good special car. Visit volocars.com where you can meet my staff. They'll help you with questions about the car, the process, delivery, financing. We can help with all of that at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next video that comes out. Thanks for watching.